Hi, we're back. I just wanted to get a view of this structure we saw earlier this spring. It's still here. Nothing's really been changed. Walk around it and take a closer look at it. It's a bunch of lean-tos, lanes or stick leans on this log going across this section of creek here. It's still here, and I did something I normally don't do. I left some apples right on this tree that's sort of leaned over right behind it, and behind the tree you'll see a tree break or lean. Right in that spot we hung 2 bags of apples and a bag of garlic. Well, the garlic's still there, but the apples were taken. They're totally gone. They were tied right there on that huge tree trunk of a tree pushed over. So this is what we've found so far. There's the structure, a bunch of stick leans, and still there. Undisturbed. So nothing's really changed. Be back, guys. We also found this, guys. Chris pointed it out. It's sort of the beginnings of another teepee. There's a tree bend or arch, and sticks are leaned on both sides. Take a closer look. Yeah, we're losing light. It's all overcast and late afternoon. But you can see the tree arch right here, and sticks are leaned on both sides of this tree arch. It sort of seems incidental when you come across it, but yeah, there it is there. You have sticks on either side of that tree arch or bend leaned up. And if you look down the spine of it, this is what it looks like. Sticks leaned on both sides of it. Sort of the beginnings of a teepee with a arch incorporated into it. So, and not far. It's actually not far from the stick lean across the creek bed, which I showed earlier. So something to think about. And that arch with the stick leans on it wasn't there earlier this year when we were here. So catch you guys further up trail. I'm back, guys. Yeah, I just looking at this, another bend or arch. You can see where it has what they call a pressure crack from it being forced over, and the end of it is plunged under this rotting wood. It's all sandy. They just stuck it in the ground right there. But yeah, there's a little sapling arch, and then if you walk over here, just to the left of where Chris is standing, you can see again the beginnings of a teepee. All these sticks leaned up on either side of an arch, arch being bent away from us. Yeah, you can see all these leans. So yeah, it's evidence of them. There's some activity. This is all new stuff that was not here last time I was here earlier this spring, right at the beginning of summer. Yeah, and there's another mini arch. We got a lot of these little mini arches pinned everywhere. There's another one, sort of pushed underneath this dead tree branch, sort of trapped under the tree branch. I'll pick this up later, guys. Yeah, here's something we found. It looks like human feces. I can't really say. It's not coyote, and I want to say it looks human, looks hominid. No hair in it, no evidence it's coyote. There are no dogs around here. People having dogs that would run down here and do this. I don't see that happening. Just sort of strange. It's surrounded by deer tracks. We saw some questionable impressions that could be Bigfoot, but because it's sandy, it doesn't hold the track well. So yeah, we found that on the way back from those structures I just filmed. So guys, tell me what you think. I'd say that's probably that scat there is probably easily 5.5, 6 inches in diameter. So it's not really huge, but it just looks unusual. Bye-bye.